Hi there, so I have less than 2 minutes to show you how you can manage your authorization within RestQA. All right, let's go. So basically, as you can see here, I have a root bearer where I will expect a bearer token, which is XXX, right? So let's just run this test, which real quick. Okay, so it failed. So to make it pass, what I will need to do is on my scenario to put the statement given the bearer token XXX. Okay, let me try that again. Okay, now it's all passed, so that's pretty cool. So let's just run npm run happy to see the full report and see in detail what happened behind the scene. So I can go here, and if I look at the detail right there, I could see I have my authorization bearer added. So now what I want to do is to show you another type of authorization, which is the basic auth. So to do so, I will have another route here, which is like basic, where I will just expect the username as a foo and bar as a password. So the first thing to do is to, let's say, copy our scenario right here. All right, and update it. Slash basic. Actually, I do not know the perfect syntax for this, so let me just look at the documentation real quick. Okay, let me take this, I put it here. All right, so now let me just run it. npm test. All green, right guys? So I hope you enjoy it. Now you can manage your authorization very easily using RestQA. See you.